In this video, I'll show you how to add recipients in Docusign using a simple and practical approach that works for most users. After logging in, open your document and click Continue to move into the Sending Setup screen. Here, you'll find the option to add recipients by entering their email addresses and assigning roles like signer, viewer, or carbon copy. This step is crucial because the order and roles you assign will directly affect how the document flows. Docusign makes this process intuitive, but it's important to double-check email accuracy and recipient order to avoid delays or confusion. You can also customize signing order, set authentication methods, or add reminders to keep things on track. Taking a moment to review everything before sending can prevent common mistakes. Overall, it's a straightforward feature that helps streamline document workflows when used carefully. Subscribe for more honest, practical tech tutorials that help you stay efficient and in control.